Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello. So, today we are going to present it about our presentation. So, the title is about administration Windows Server in NetCafe. So, for the member of our group is me, Fadil Rahman, and my partner.
My name is Zakaria Swafar.
So, let's begin the presentation.
So in this presentation for the Windows Server, we use the Windows Server 2012, and for the client of the users, we use the Windows 7, the special edition Windows Server. Okay, let's begin.
Okay, first is user. So, we create a user on the server, so the Windows 7 can actually connect to the server by the domain. So here is the user. The first, there is an OP, and then there is a client. So for the client, we create a 5 clients. So for the 5 Windows 7 special editions. And next, we create the security group. There are 2 security group here. The first is operator, and next is the client. After that, we put the user on their own group. So the user are, as we can see above, and grouped by the operator group and client group. Okay, next.
Next is group policy. In here, there are the group policy of the users, the operator, and the 5 client. The users here, I put it in this user. As you can see, the location of the user, the domain is computer server, and we input some of the policy management, so the user have a bound or of limits of its usage in the server. Here are the group policy management editor of the everything we can set up. Like here we got to the control panel of the desktop, the network, the folder share, start menu, and so many. There are so many points that we can limit it. And here we enable the disable active desktop for our users. Next.
Okay, the next is file sharing. So first, we settings the file that we want to sharing. So here on the advanced sharing, so the share name of our folder is netcafe. After that, we choose the permissions and choose everyone and put it on the group of usernames. After that, on the permission for everyone, so we just allow everyone to just read the file. Okay, after that, we choose OK and we close. So after that, right click and choose the file sharing. So right here, as you can see from the picture, there are everyone. So for the permissions level, we choose read or write. After that, you can click share and your file will be sharing to the client. Okay, next.
Next is the file sharing on client. As here we can see the netcafe is contained 2 folders about client and operator. This is the folder that stored in the Windows Server 2012. After that, we use the steps before and we open it in our client in Windows 7. In this address, you can see there are netcafe shared folder here, and it contains 2 folders from the Windows Server 2012. Yeah. Next.
Okay, the next is scrap mapping drive. So on our scrap mapping drive, as you can see for the picture, so the drive is Z and then the folder is //192.168.1.1/netcafe. So here is the directory for our sharing folder. As you can see, there are a client and operator inside of it. After that, you can click finish, and you can check this on the CMD too. So as you can see from the picture, there are the status, local, remove, network. Okay, next.
Yeah. Next is the DNS configuration. So this is our DNS manager, and this is our DNS configuration for our domain and also for our uh, host was 2012 Microsoft Server host, as you can see. Next is the server monitoring.
Yeah, okay, for the server monitoring, so there are two ways to do this. So the first is we use the server manager. So as you can see for the server manager, there are include everything that you need from the server. So you can monitoring right here. As you can see, there are DHCP, DNS, remote access, IIS, and many more. You can edit via the tools. And okay, the next is
The next is the ping, or we call it the connection between the server and the client with the host. Here we are pinging the IP of the host 192.168.1.1, and we got the reply. We got the connection from our host to our client. As you can see, the packet sent and no loss. So because of this connection, we can share our folders and we can do server and hostings. Next is managing Active Directory services. First, we use the operator. As you can see, operator from operator computerservice.com. This is the directory services. In the directory services, we are delegate our operator to create and delete manage user account, reset password, read all user information, modify and create manage the groups. And if you click next here, the operator will be delegate for the action of the Active Directory services, these 5 points. So if you log in the operator, you can do this thing. And the next is
okay. The next is delegation of control wizard. So right, just for same as before, but right here, before we choose the OP, but right here we input all of the client from our server. So there are 5 clients, client 1 until 5. After that, the delegate the following common text. So for this text, we just choose the read all of user information and read all in or person information. After that, you can click next, and all of your client will delegate for the text you choose. After that, you can click finish.
and that's all about our project about administrating Windows Server in NetCafe. Me as Zakarias Bongkar and my friend as
Itu Rahman.
we're signing off. Thank you.
Ya.